In the 1800s, Charles Darwin proposed the idea of natural selection to support his belief in the controversial subject of evolution. Since then, scientists have used the fossil record and comparative anatomy to support the theory of evolution, and more recently, DNA sequencing has given us the ability to see just how closely different species are related. Scientists have long noted similarity in the structure of fossils. The fossil record allows us to see how an organism's characteristics change over long periods of time, ultimately forming an entirely new species. Take a moment to note the similarities in the skulls of our human predecessors. When scientists compare the anatomy of different organisms, we call it comparative anatomy. When there are many anatomical similarities, the scientists conclude that the organisms are closely related. This image depicts the forelimb of 4 currently living animals: the arm of a man, the fin of a whale, wing of a bird, and the forelimb of a house lizard. Although each limb is used differently, grasping, swimming, flying, or climbing, the basic bone structure is similar. Each begins with one heavy bone. Next, each forelimb has a set of 2 bones, which are followed by a group of tiny pebble-shaped bones. Lastly, each animal has a set of phalange bones, which for humans form fingers. The red arrows point out bones on the whale and a bird which appear too small, as though they have been shrinking. This is an indicator that those bones are no longer very necessary for the organism's survival, and in the future, those bones may disappear altogether. Advances in technology now allow scientists to sequence entire genomes of living organisms. Approximately 96% of the DNA in humans and chimps is identical. Similarities in DNA allow scientists to see how closely related various organisms are. The more shared DNA 2 organisms have, the more closely they are related on the evolutionary tree.